Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study distributive property of whole numbers. Then, what is distributive property? If A, B and C are three whole numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That means suppose there are three whole numbers, we can write it as A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Then there is one example. One example is 436 into 101. Here two numbers given that to multiply these two numbers. Then when we use this distributive property, it is very easy to calculate this answer without actual multiplication. Okay, then here we can change this question as in the form of this distributive property, that is 436 into 101. We can write it as 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 is 101. So we just change this number as 100 plus 1. Okay, then now our question is in the form of distributive property, that is A into B plus C. Okay, the same form. In this question, what is A? This question, A is 436, B is 100 and C is 1. Then you know that what is distributive property? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Here you apply this in this property. Okay. Here what is then you write what is distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Here A is 436 and B is 100, C is 1. Then the same way you apply this number instead of this letters. Okay, 436 into 100 plus 1, we can write it as A into B, that is A is 436 into 100. Otherwise here we can open this bracket this way. That means first you multiply 436 into 100, that is this one, 436 into 100, and this plus sign. Here you put that plus sign. Again you multiply this 436 and 1. This way we open this bracket. Okay, otherwise you can write A into B plus A into C. Here A is 436, B is 100. So A into B is 436 into 100 plus then 400. A into C means 436 into 1. Otherwise this way you open this bracket. First you multiply this 436 into 100, then you put this plus sign, then again you multiply this 436 into 1. Then 436 into 100 is 43,600. Then 436 into 1 is 436. Okay, then here you add these two numbers. Our next step is you add these two numbers. So our answer is 43,600 plus 436 is 44,036. So our answer is 44,036. This is the use of distributive property. Then which is the benefit? Yes, the benefit of this property is to make the difficult calculation easy. Here without actual multiplication we can find this answer. Okay. Another example, 735 into 99. Here also we can use which property? If your question is to multiply only two numbers, here you apply which property? Yes, distributive property. Here also we can change this number, this 99 as 100 minus 1. You know that 100 minus 1 is what? 99. So we can write our question like this. That is 736 into 100 minus 1. So you know that distributive property, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, here minus sign, so here also we can put this minus sign. In this question, what is A? Yes, in this question, A is equal to 735 and B is 100, C is 1. So our question is 735 into 100 minus 1. So what is A into B? A into B is 735 into 100. That means this way you open this bracket. First you multiply 735 into 100. Here minus sign. So here also you put minus sign. Then 735 into 1 is 735. That means this way we open this bracket. 735 into 100 is 73,500 minus 735 into 1 is 735. Then you subtract these two numbers, that is your answer. When we subtract these two numbers, answer is 72,765. So our answer is 72,765. So this is distributive property. Using distributive property, we can multiply this type of numbers very easily. Okay.